I'm Joe, and I'm the Curriculum and Outreach Educator at the Jerome Library.
And I'm Joe's husband, Dave, and I'm the Sound Archivist at BGSU's Music Library and Bill Shirt Sound Archives.
And we want to talk briefly about words of wisdom for the LGBTQ community. So we are both in our early 40s, and I think one of the things that is really important is to realize, as Martin Luther King once said, that the arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice. Things take time, and it's really, really hard when you want something to happen immediately. You know, I came out in 1995 during my freshman year of college, and if you had asked me then, would I be married to the love of my life in the 2010s, I would have said, like, that's never ever going to happen. And even in the mid 2000s, I would have said it's never going to happen, but it's happened. Patience is tough, but it's important, especially when you're in the LGBTQ community or in any marginalized community.
And I grew up in rural Virginia. In my county, rumor has it there were more cows than people when I was there. And I never even considered being married. I never thought that would be a possibility in my lifetime. And yet, I am. So think where we've come in that length of time. It hasn't been, at least in my opinion, too long ago. So think where we could be when you are our age. It's amazing. And there's so much hope and so much joy and so much promise there. It's super exciting, and we can't wait to check back in when we're in our 70s and see where we are.
So keep that hope and that joy and that promise, because sometimes even in the darkest days, it doesn't seem like anything will work out, but things have a tendency to work out. So stay strong.